welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, is Harvest Chuks, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my skincare routine. I was about to shower and do a little bit of skincare, so I was like, why not I just show you guys, considering few people have been asking about my routine or my skincare routine. So before I go any further, let me just put it out there that I'm not a skin beautician or any of that. I am just trying to make my skin get better or look nicer, and I'm just going to show you guys what works for me. It might not work for you or it might work for you, but I'm just going to show you guys. So let's dive into the video. Okay guys, so I'm in my bathroom now and I want to start with washing of my face. If I had any makeup on, then I would have just used oil to cleanse my face, or like to break the makeup, then just use wipe to clean up the makeup from my face. But since I don't have any makeup now, so I have to start, and I'm going to be starting with this soap. Okay, yes, this soap. I don't know if you'll be able to get this soap. I got this soap when I traveled, so in the hotel they gave me this soap, so I have two of it. So this is one, but I'm already using one. I just wanted to show you guys the nylon, but I just use this because of I have it. Normally I use any soap I use for my body is what I use for my face. So either I use Dettol or Tetnosol or any of those ones. I just use it. I don't have a facial wash. So I do the 60 seconds rule by what's her name? LA Beautyologist. Yes, that should be her name. Yes, that's her name. I do the 60 seconds rule, where you have to time yourself for 60 seconds, then wash your face. But I go extra sometimes, and I do for like a minute and 30 seconds. So after washing my face, I go in next with my facial scrub. It comes like it's just a little bit. Okay. So guys, if you haven't been exfoliating before now, then you have to just do the once a week. Then maybe with time you can go in with 2 times a week. For me, I do once a week. Sometimes I actually even do once in 2 weeks. But I love this tea tree facial scrub because when you're done, it makes your skin so soft. Now I'm just going to rinse this off and I'll be back. So guys, now that I am done, my face actually feels so soft. I'm just going now with this face towel. I use it for my face only. I don't use the same one that I use for my body for my face. Guys, don't do this. And when you are done, don't do like this. You just pat dry. Pat dry. Pat dry. Pat dry. I'm going to go in now with my clean mask. So now I'm just going to apply this on my face. This is a mask that is supposed to dry, but it's not like the peel off mask. This one, when it dries up, then you just rinse it off your face. how it will be looking when you apply it. So I'm just going to, you're supposed to stay for about 10 to 15 minutes, but I'm going to leave mine for 15 minutes. I'm going to use this time to shower, then I'll be back. So guys, I just finished showering. The only thing I did off camera was just rinse off the clay marks when it dried. So now I'll be going in with my oil eliminating astringents, and what this does is that it helps to prevent breakouts. So, and as it does that, it doesn't over dry your skin. So if you're going to just start this, I would advise that you start with once a day, then with time you can actually go on with twice a day or more if you want. It's actually there in the directions on how to use. So I'm just going to be using this and my cotton pad. This is the one I use. So I don't put a lot, I just put it all around. I don't just put it on one particular spot, I take it all around. I don't put so much because I notice that whenever I do this, it has this smell that is kind of choking a bit. I'm not saying choking to the extent that you will die or something, but it just has this choking smell. So I just don't put so much. And you think because you've washed your face and all, you're not going to see any dirt, but just take a look at this. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, so just, are you seeing that? Just a little bit. Then I use the other side, which is also still wet, so I just use it too. So when I'm done with that, then I just go in my neck, because they always say when you're aging, they know through your hands and your neck easily. So and I only go in here first. The next thing I do is moisturize, and for my body and my face, this is what I use, the Vaseline, which you can get from any beauty supply store. Just take a bit. I feel like I won't put so much. I think I put so much. So whenever you're doing anything like massaging your face or rubbing moisturizer or any of sort, try not to do like this and or take your face down. Try to do circular motions. It helps. So guys, I'm so sorry if my lighting is bad. It looks like it wants to rain, so that's why. So next I go in with my coconut oil. Yeah. not so easy remembering to even do the circular motion, but with time you get better with that. And guys, that's all I do for my skincare routine. I want to say, please wash your face morning and night, no matter how lazy you are. Don't sleep with makeup. What else? Okay, use a clean face towel. Don't use the one you use for your body for your face. You can't use the same one you use to wipe your ass to wipe your face. None of that here. I'm just going to use a little bit of coconut oil to moisturize my lip, because we're aiming for what? Juicy lips and not crusty lips. Okay, so guys, I like using this, which is the skin clarifying blemish gel. I use this sometimes during the day, but I like using it most of the time at night. So what I just do is, after cleansing my face with this, then I just go in with this and put it on the specific places I want. Because if you notice, I have a little bit of spot here, so I just put it around here. I just started using it. It's like I've used it 3 or 4 times. I don't use it every day. I don't do a lot for skincare. I'm trying to read more and learn more and see what is good for my skin in general, and I am learning to read more of the things I buy and not just buy because somebody said it's nice or because it works for someone else's skin. I'm trying to read the ingredients that I have. It's not so easy actually, but we'll do it with time. We'll try. So I'm just going to advise you that whenever you're buying products, try and read what it has on it and try and see other reviews on it. So guys, if I do anything else or if I add any other thing to my regimen, I'm just going to let you guys know. I'll do an updated skincare routine, but for now this is all I do. As you can see, is quite basic, easy or simple or any of that, but that's just all I do on my skin. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please put on your post notification, because it's not all about subscribing. Subscribe, yes, thank you so much, but please also put on your post notification so that you know when I upload a new video or when I put a new video out there. I like you guys should also tell me what you use for your skin, to exfoliate, to tone, to cleanse, anything you use for hydration, anything you just use. I'd like you guys to put it in the comment section. No matter how basic it is, don't worry, mine is also basic, so it's fine. Just put it in the comment section, let me know, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay beautiful, bye.